What's up, my ninjas? Sammy-chan coming in to you from the city of brotherly love. I just got home from the Eagles championship parade. It was so awesome because we got to take my whole family, all my kids, and it was a little bit chilly. That's why I'm wearing this hat. This hat definitely served me. It was super warm. I don't know if it's real fur or not or what, but it was a great memory, and so I just had a great time. But again, an Eagles championship does not change my income. It doesn't make me more money or less money. It just kind of makes you a little bit happier, I guess. So today's topic that I wanted to cover is, do I hate insurance companies? Does the claim ninja hate insurance companies? Do I have anger toward the insurance companies? And I'll tell you, I don't. And the main reason is because I never want to associate any hatred towards the origination of my income. All the income that I earn comes from the insurance company's checks, right? So why would I be a hater? I'm not a hater. Actually, I don't even like using the word hate. But, and here's my real true belief about insurance companies. If they did their job and they stuck to the language of their policies that they're selling to people, for the most part, policyholders would never need a public adjuster. They would never need a policyholder advocate. And why is that? Because if they actually did what their policies said, then people would get everything they're supposed to get. But because they don't, people hire us. And we provide a very valuable service to the insured. I have insurance agents that refer me to their clients. I have attorneys that refer me to their clients. People that understand what needs to be done for the homeowner. Guess what? They recommend us because they know we're going to be in the fight. Now let me talk about some things that I dislike. Got a little bit of hat here. What I dislike is when people do business and think about themselves before the needs of their customer, right? Insurance agents who are more concerned about their loss ratios and commissions on renewals instead of what's right for the accident victim. And the thing is, as an insurance agent, if it comes out that you're only concerned about loss ratios, and those are your true colors, do you think that that client is going to keep all their insurance policies with you and renew with you? No, you're going to lose that whole premium base. So do the right thing, right? Insurance brokers and agents who do not know how to sell, right? Selling is highlighting the value of what you do, and having the insured or the client lock in with you because they know that you care about them. They know that you're going to do the right thing. Learn how to sell the difference between an actual cash value policy and a replacement cost policy. Learn how to explain the difference in high deductible and low deductible, right? Learn how to explain the difference of a co-insurance penalty. Go to school for stuff like that. Take continuing ed courses on things like that so that you can do better for your customer and you can build in customer loyalty. Not discouraging them to file a claim or trying to handle the claim on your own and messing up the claim even more. The other thing I dislike is insurance people who do not take to study their own insurance policies that they sell. I mean, if it's something you sell, wouldn't you be required to understand what's covered and what's not covered? I mean, if you sell mutual funds, do you study the whole offering and read that document page by page, paragraph by paragraph? You should, because when you come up against a public adjuster that has studied your insurance policy, they're going to wipe the floor with you. And when it comes out that you didn't know what the heck you were selling, you're going to be in trouble. Here's some other things I dislike. I dislike when clients get lied to. And then we have to get hired. I dislike when policyholders gobble up the propaganda from the TV commercials and then they think someone's actually on their side. You know? I dislike when clients get bullied and lied to and told this is all the money you're going to get. Right? And when those things happen, I feel that it is my duty as the claim ninja, as a policyholder advocate, to take on the fight for the policyholder, the small business person who has every penny of their life savings into this business, and now the insurance company is trying to take them for a ride. That's why we get hired. We don't get hired because they're satisfied. We get hired because they're upset. As long as insurance companies run their business with the business model of thinking how they can minimize how many of their premiums they're going to return back to the policyholders when there are losses, and then they do it in very slick ways, or they do it in ways that are bullying and dishonest, I will have ultimate career security. I'll never have to worry about work. Because you know what? Weather events are going to happen. Pipe breaks are going to happen. Fires are going to happen. And the insurance companies will continue to mistreat homeowners and policyholders. It's not my wish, you know? So let me talk about Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. There's a statement in there that really, you know, crystallizes what I'm thinking about when I do this business. I will engage in no transaction that does not benefit all whom it affects. It affects me because I'm doing the work and getting paid a contingency fee that I deserve, that I believe that I should earn. It affects the policyholder because I hope it benefits them, because now they have the money to do the repairs. Now, how does it benefit the insurance company if I'm making them pay out more on a claim? Guess what? It still benefits them because now their client has all the funds to repair the property, and therefore leading to less claims. Right? So my involvement in the claim as a public adjuster still benefits all whom it affects. And if I do not believe that that is true, we will not get involved. Pride adjusters will not get involved. So think about those things. But people ask, like, do you hate insurance companies? No, I don't. I love them. I love the fact that they do the business the way that they do. And because they do, there's a whole industry based off of that. So I just wanted to, I guess maybe I got into a little bit of a rant, or, getting up on my soapbox. But I don't ever associate hate with my income. I don't associate any negative feelings with anything that affects my bank account. I associate, my vision, my belief, what I know is right. So everybody have a great night. Again, fly, Eagles, fly. World champions. No one's going to be able to ever take that away from us. And you know what? If you don't like the Eagles, I don't really care. All right, have a great night.